Hi, my name is Taylor Stewart. I'm a sophomore here at Mount St. Mary's University, and I'm majoring in elementary education, dual certified in special education with a minor in Spanish. I have a few questions that I will be going over today, and my first question is, what are some challenges and or success in learning math? For me, I would like to start off with challenges. I was a student in elementary school who didn't have a lot of self-confidence, and I doubted myself a lot. When I was called up to go to the board to answer a question by myself, I did not like it. I would always feed myself with negative thoughts like I can't do this, it's too hard, to the point where I would start crying. Sometimes in elementary school, specifically in third and fourth grade, when I would go home to do my math homework, I would cry because I wouldn't get the question or I wouldn't be able to solve the word problem right away, which was really hard for me as I think about it because I just wasn't self confident. I didn't have a lot of self confidence in myself, and I wasn't feeding myself with the positive energy that I needed in order to put my best foot forward in math specifically. One success is in seventh grade of middle school. I finished the year with a A average, which was really, really good for me because I always thought that math was too hard. I wasn't really good at it. Like I said, in elementary school, I would always tell myself, I can never do this. And so in the middle school, specifically seventh grade, is when I saw that shift in my personality and um, just in my personal aura. I just fed myself with positive thoughts, saying that I can do this instead of I can't. Um, I set a time studying. I had good studying habits. I set time aside for putting in work and just making sure I was teaching myself and rereading my notes, going through PowerPoints. And so the success is finishing with a really good grade in seventh grade of my math class, which is something that I'm very proud for. Um, some instructions that work for me personally is visual learner, visual learner, and videos. I love to watch YouTube videos in 11th grade specifically in high school. I took geometry and I loved watching YouTube videos for geometry. It was just the creative aspect, and I personally love that. One experience or technique that I would like to carry over in teaching of elementary mathematics is just giving my students the confidence and the encouragement that they can do this. They can answer each question as long as they put their mind to it, and always fill your spirit with positive thoughts because um, as long as you have confidence in yourself, anything is possible. So we're in this together, and I can't wait to shine my light and be there for my students because as a teacher, we have that positive um, opportunity to make an impact on our students' lives. Thank you.